Hello everyone, in today's video I will tell you some exercises with the help of which you can make your hamstring flexible and get a flexible body fast. Let's start. Start in this position and try to straighten your knees by holding your feet. You have to hold it for 5 seconds and then come back to normal position and repeat it for 5 times. In the next exercise, you have to sit on the ground and bend one of your leg inward like this. And keep other leg straight and try to reach your upper body towards the straight leg. If you try this regularly, your body will become flexible very soon. So you should definitely try this.
Feel it rising up.
Repeat same things with other leg.
I could go without, let me get away. It's over now, it's over now. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. Walk away, don't look. Baby, when I'm gone for good.
For the next exercise, you have to sit on your knees and straighten one of your leg. After getting this position, you have to hold it for some times. Do same exercise with other leg. In the next exercise, you have to move one of your leg forward and without bending your knees, try to touch your body with your legs. When you start doing this exercise without any problem, then you have to try to hold it.
See it on my face, I made up my mind. See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away.
Do same exercise with other leg.
Yeah, I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.
In the next exercise, you will need an object on which you can place your leg like this. After this, you should try to touch your body to your leg. Do same exercise with other leg.
Then I push it down, saying you're in love. I could go without, let me get away. It's over now, it's over now. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives
You should try this exercise only when you start doing all the exercise mentioned earlier without any problem. In this exercise, you have to hold your ankle and lift your leg up to 45 degrees and try to touch your leg with your body.
Walk away, don't look. Baby, when I'm gone for good.
And do same things with other leg.
Baby, when I'm gone for good. Everything falls apart. I want it right now.
I hope you enjoy this video, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.